A very good morning to all my dear children. This is your English teacher welcomes you again in the online teaching classes. My dear children, before proceeding towards our today's class, I want to tell you one thing. My dear children, till now we have completed 6 chapters of our English reader book, and the question answers of those lessons we have already uploaded in the school website. So, my dear children, don't keep your work pending and keep writing the question answers and difficult words of all those lessons in your English copy in a neat, clean, and beautiful handwriting. My dear children, I know you are enjoying your online classes and understanding your lessons. After completion of every lesson, sit down at your home and read carefully that lesson and learn the question answers also. Okay, now let's start our today's class. Children, today we will start a new lesson. Lesson number 7, The Monkey and the Cats. This is a very interesting lesson, and this is a story of three friends, one monkey and two cats. I know, children, you all love to read and to listen the stories. You will love to read this story also. And as from every story we learn some good thing, from this story also we will learn how one takes the advantage of others fighting. So let's start our today's class. Lesson number 7, The Monkey and the Cats. There were two cats, Pushy and Kitty, that lived in an old woman's house. The old woman was very kind to them, but the two cats did not behave well. They always quarreled with each other. So, children, there were two cats. And what are their names? Their names are Pushy and Kitty. They both lived in an old woman's house. Pushy and Kitty are friends. They lived together in an old woman's house. The old woman was very kind to them. Children, the old woman was very caring and loved both the cats. She was very kind to Pushy and Kitty. But the two cats did not behave well. But children, though Pushy and Kitty are friends, they live together in an old woman's house. The old woman was also very good towards them, but these two cats, Pushy and Kitty, were not good towards each other. Their behavior towards each other is not good. They did not behave well. They always quarreled with each other. Children, these two cats, Pushy and Kitty, always keeps on fighting with each other. One day they found a piece of cake, and again they had a big quarrel. So children, what happened? One day these two cats found a piece of cake lying on the road. And as I told you earlier, though they are friends, but they did not behave well with each other. They always keeps on fighting with each other. So when they found a piece of cake, again they started fighting. Why? They started fighting for that piece of cake. Kushi, I found the piece of cake and showed it to you. You can't have it. It is mine, not yours. Kitty, you saw it, but I ran and took it first. So it is mine. Pushy, no, it is mine and I will have it. So, children, after getting the piece of cake, both the cats started fighting with each other. They both wanted to eat that piece of cake alone. They don't want to share the piece of cake with each other. And they had a big quarrel. Kushi is telling that she has found the piece of cake and she has seen the piece of cake first. So the cake belongs to her and she will eat the whole piece of cake alone. Pushi told Kitty that she will not give the piece of cake to Kitty. Now, what Kitty is telling? You saw it, but I ran and took it first. So it is mine. Kitty told Pushy. Yes, though you have seen the cake first, but it is me who ran and brought the piece of cake first. So the whole piece of cake belongs to me. And Kitty also wanted to eat that cake alone. She doesn't want to share the piece of cake with Pushy. Again, Pushy told Kitty, no, it is mine, and she will eat the cake. So, children, like this, they had a big quarrel for that piece of cake. Now, Kitty is telling, Kitty, shall we go to our friend Montu the monkey? He will decide who should take the piece of cake. Now, children, here comes the monkey, Montu. What is the name of the monkey? Montu. He is the friend of Pushy and Kitty. After having a great fight for that piece of cake, Kitty got an idea. She told Pushy that let us go to our friend Montu the monkey and we will tell our story of piece of cake to him, and he will only decide who should take the piece of cake. So, children, Kitty told Pushy to go to their friend Montu the monkey, and Pushy also got agreed with Kitty. So they both went to Montu the monkey. Pushy and Kitty tell Montu about the quarrel. So, children, Pushy and Kitty told Montu about the quarrel for that piece of cake. Montu. Now stop your quarrel. Give me the piece of cake. I'll divide it into two equal parts. Here I have made it into two parts. Pushy, give me one half. Kitty, and give me the other. Montu, yes, but one piece seems larger. Let me eat a little from this half. Kitty, don't eat any more. Give them to us. So, children, when Pushy and Kitty decided to go to the Montu, the monkey, for help, Pushy also got agreed with Kitty and they both went to Montu. Now, Montu listened to their quarrel. Then he told both the cats, don't fight, stop your quarrel. I have an idea. I will divide the piece of cake into two equal parts, and one part I will give to Pushy and one part I will give to Kitty. From this way, both of you can eat the cake. After telling this, Pushy and Kitty also got agreed with Montu the monkey. They both gave the piece of cake to Montu, and after taking the piece of cake from the two cats, Montu divided the cake into two equal parts. And then Pushy told Montu, "Give me one half, Kitty, and give me the other." Both the cats asked for their half of the cake. But children, what Montu said? Yes, but one piece seems larger. Let me eat a little from this half. Children, Montu told the cats, "Yeah, I can give you the cake, but the cake is not divided equally into two equal parts. One part seems to be larger and one part seems to be smaller. So, to make both the parts equal, I have to eat a little from the larger part." Children, then Kitty told Montu, "Don't eat any more. Give them to us." Kitty told Montu the monkey, "No, no, no need to eat any part. We are happy now. Give me my part and the second part to Pushy." So children, Montu, "No, but the other piece seems larger now. Let me bite a little from this half too." But children, Montu the monkey did not give the two parts to both the cats. He ate little from the larger part, and Kitty and Pushy were simply sitting and watching Montu the monkey eating the cake. Then again Kitty told Montu the monkey, "Okay, now the cake is equal. Now give the cake to us." Then again the Montu told the cats, "No, no. After eating the little part from the larger half of the cake, it is again one part is larger and one part is smaller. Again I have to eat a little from the larger part." So children, in next class we will continue our story and we will come to know what happened of that piece of cake and whether the both the cats Pushy and Kitty will be able to eat the cake or not, and how Montu the monkey will help both the cats. Let us have a revise what we read today. This is the story of two cats, Pushy and Kitty. They both lived in an old woman's house. The old woman was very kind to them, but the two cats were not good towards each other. They both keeps on fighting with each other. One day they found a piece of cake lying on the road, and again they started fighting for that piece of cake. Pushy told Kitty that she will eat the whole piece of cake because she has seen the cake first. And Kitty told Pushy, "No, I brought the cake first, so I will eat the whole cake." So, like this, Pushy and Kitty keeps on fighting with each other, and they don't want to share the cake with each other. Last, Kitty got an idea to go to their friend Montu the monkey. Montu the monkey was friend of Pushy and Kitty. They both told Montu the monkey about their quarrel for that piece of cake. Montu was a very clever monkey, children. So, what he did first, he told both the cats to stop their quarrel, and he took the piece of cake and told them that he will divide the piece of cake into two equal parts, and one part he will give to Pushy, and the second part he will give to Kitty. Both the cats got agreed with Montu's idea. Montu, what he did? He divided the piece of cake into two parts. But instead of giving the parts of cake to Pushy and Kitty, he told the cats that the cake is not divided equally. One part seems to be larger and one part seems to be smaller. So he ate a little from the larger part to make them equal. So children, today we learned up to this, and the next class we will continue our story, and we will do the book exercise also. Read your lessons carefully and keep writing the question answers of the previous chapters in your English copy. Thank you.